subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Huawei, the Chinese technology giant, has passed through the 3C certification process in its home country for several devices, ranging from a 40 watts charger to new 4G and 5G smartphones as well as routers. Now, a new report revealed that the upcoming tablet from the company dubbed Huawei MatePad Pro 2, which carries the codename Wanzhou, has passed through the 3C certification process in China. The device will be made available in two variants, one with a 12.2-inch screen supplied by Huawei and another with a 12.6-inch display panel provided by Samsung. Both of them are said to have support for a higher refresh rate. It is also said to be powered by the Huawei high-silicon Kirin 9000 chipset, the latest flagship chipset from the Chinese giant. This could also be the last one from the company, at least for the time being till the restrictions imposed by the United States are lifted. The name of the device itself indicates that the tablet is the successor of the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G, which was first introduced in the European market in February last year and was later made available in China. As for the other devices that have passed through this certification process, the 4G smartphone is believed to be a part of the Huawei Enjoy lineup and could come with support for 22.5 watts fast charging. There are two 5G smartphones, which are expected to be a part of the Huawei Mate 40 lineup and could expand the portfolio of the Mate 40 series. We will have to wait for more information to determine if these claims are true or not. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.